it is time to launch some new scrunchies this year once again. So let's go behind the scenes and do a photo shoot. I will see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and hey boy, hey, and welcome back to OMG & Co., also known as OMG Scrunchie Club, home of the bigger, better scrunchies and statement pieces for the bold. For those of you that are new, welcome to the club. My name is Lamiel. I'm the scrunchie creator, jewelry maker, mom, wife, whatever you want to call it. So welcome to my scrunchie studio. So for those of you that aren't new, you may be noticing my scrunchie wall has been emptied out. So let me give you a few updates before we get into today's video. So I decided one day that I was just going to stop making scrunchies, stop everything. What led to this was that I felt as though I was not spending enough time with my family, so I just packed everything up. Yes, I was still selling things, but I was not making anything, like physically making things. I've been designing another scrunchie line that I wanted to launch this time around, but I haven't finished the design aspect of it. And I'm working on getting my custom fabric made once again for another scrunchie launch. So, this year has started out rocky. I have lost 2 family members already, just lost an aunt last week. So not to be a Debbie Downer, but I realized that I needed to spend more time with my family. Therefore, I decided to stop making YouTube videos, stop sewing scrunchies. I was still buying fabric though, and selling earrings. I was still selling earrings. I was still selling scrunchies. I just was not physically making anything. Whatever I had in stock, that's what I was making. So my spirits are a little bit up now, and I'm ready to make some more scrunchies, make some more earrings. I like to be creative, so when I'm not being creative, I feel as though I'm not living in my purpose. And whatever my purpose is, I know it involves me making things. So I wanted to take you behind the scenes of my quick photo shoot. I am launching 30 new scrunchies this upcoming Saturday, April 15th, 2023 at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for this scrunchie photo shoot, I decided not to use my daughter's. It's raining outside, it's cold. I'm having bad allergies, sinuses, everything's draining from my face. So I decided to actually take pictures with my iPhone here. So I decided, instead of using the Canon camera, why not try the iPhone? I see people taking photos and sometimes shooting little short films on an iPhone. So I was like, hey, I have an iPhone, use it. And so now it's kind of like a point and shoot type function that I'm using with the iPhone. Whereas when I was using the other camera, I had to adjust the lighting, open the iris, set the ISO, same thing, the aperture, shutter speed, all that good stuff. And I just didn't want to do that this time. So you'll be seeing me shoot the photos from my camera. And right behind me is my lovely mannequin head. So I did a photo shoot on my camera with the earrings that I'll be launching. So I'm launching some earrings in addition to 30 scrunchies. I have a new headband line that I am working on. If it's done, it will launch on next Saturday as well. But as of right now, you will see the earrings and the scrunchies that I am launching. So without further ado, let's get into the fast motion of this video, and I will see you at the photo shoot, and I will see you at the end to do a recap with you. See you after this. behind the scenes of this scrunchie photo shoot. One of the pros that I think I'm going to benefit from using my cell phone this time is that I have the images on my phone, so when I want to upload to social media such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the images are now in my phone. Normally what I would have to do is shoot twice. I would shoot on the Canon camera in addition to using my cell phone, but now everything's in one place, so I can just edit in my phone and upload it. So I'm thinking about just using these same photos to put on my website. Normally I do a white background. I will decide within a day or two if I want to do that. I may set some up on the website to see what it looks like with the wood in the background. It may end up throwing everything off since all of my other pictures have that white background, which makes the scrunchies pop. So we'll just have to see about that. But I do want to thank you all for sticking around, and for those of you that did come back, thank you. I do apologize. Well, no, I'm not sorry for taking time away, but I am sorry that I was gone, if that makes sense, because I needed to take the time away to spend with my family. I really did miss everyone. I missed doing YouTube. I don't miss editing videos though, because that takes a long time. But let me know which scrunchies you liked, and don't forget the scrunchies drop this Saturday, April 15th, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for the first, let's see, for the first 23, since we're in year 2023, let's go with 23. For the first 23 customers that purchase, I will throw in a special scrunchie surprise for you, or a special scrunchie that was not seen here today. So if you want a free scrunchie that no one has, be a part of the first 23 people to purchase your scrunchies this Saturday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications, and hopefully I will have some more videos coming up soon in the future. But until then, enjoy the look at these scrunchies that I have right behind me on the table right here. You can't see it, but I will pan the camera so that you can see all of the scrunchies that are in the collection. See you next time. Be safe. Bye-bye.